There's a wall system that heats your home in winter and cools it in summer without a furnace, without an air conditioner, and without a single monthly utility bill. Sunlight, concrete, and a sheet of glass. That's the entire technology. It was invented over 60 years ago, validated by the United States Department of Energy, tested at Los Alamos National Laboratory, and installed in thousands of homes across 3 continents. Then the heating and cooling industry quietly buried it. Not because it failed, because it worked too well. A wall that eliminates your energy bill cannot be sold as a subscription, and what cannot generate monthly revenue cannot be allowed to spread. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know more about home climate control than 99% of contractors charging you $15,000 to install machines you don't actually need. Welcome to Secret Mechanic. If these stories matter to you, the subscribe button and the bell are how you keep this channel alive. This is where we dig up what the industry buried. To understand how a single wall can replace your entire HVAC system, we have to go back to ancient Rome. In the 1st century AD, Roman architects discovered something remarkable about thick stone walls. If you built a wall facing south and painted it dark, it absorbed solar heat all day long. Then at night, that stored heat radiated inward, warming the rooms for hours after sunset. They called these structures thermal mass walls. No fuel, no fire, no maintenance. The wall did the work. Roman villas across the Mediterranean used this principle for centuries. And it wasn't only Rome. In Persia, builders used massive adobe walls that absorbed desert heat by day and released it through brutal, freezing desert nights. In China, the Kang system heated entire households through Mongolian winters, using nothing but warmed walls and platforms. For thousands of years, civilizations understood the same truth. Walls aren't just barriers, walls are batteries. Now jump forward to 1967. A French engineer named Félix Trombe is working at a solar energy laboratory in the Pyrenees Mountains. Trombe is obsessed with one question. Why are we burning fuel to heat buildings when the sun delivers more energy to the surface of the Earth in a single hour than humanity uses in an entire year? He partners with the architect Jacques Michel. Together they design what becomes the most elegant heating system ever built. A south-facing wall, made of dark-painted concrete or masonry, 8 to 16 inches thick. A sheet of glass mounted 4 inches in front of the wall, creating a sealed air gap. Vents at the top and bottom of the wall connecting that air gap to the interior of the home. That's the entire system. No moving parts, no wiring, no fuel, no filters, no technician. Here's the chemistry of how it heats your home. Sunlight passes through the glass and strikes the dark wall. The wall absorbs up to 95% of that solar energy. The air trapped between the glass and the wall heats up rapidly, reaching above 60 degrees Celsius on a sunny winter day. Hot air rises naturally through the top vents into the living space. Cool air from the room flows in through the bottom vents to replace it. A continuous convection loop pumps warm air through the entire home all day long. But that's only half the system. The thick concrete wall absorbs heat all day like a giant thermal battery. After sunset, when temperatures drop, the wall slowly releases that stored heat into the house. 8 to 12 hours of radiant warmth all night long. Without a single watt of electricity, without a single drop of fuel. Stay with me. The Secret Mechanic Vault has the full Trombe Wall blueprints with exact dimensions and material lists, plus 11 more buried guides on off-grid power, water, heating, and shelter. Link in the description. Now let me show you the part that should genuinely make you angry. The Department of Energy funded extensive research on Trombe walls during the 1970s oil crisis. Los Alamos National Laboratory built and tested dozens of prototypes. Their findings were staggering. A properly designed Trombe wall provides 30 to 50% of a home's total heating needs. In sunny climates like the American Southwest, that number jumps to 70. A study published by the National Renewable Energy Laboratory found Trombe walls in Albuquerque reduced annual heating energy consumption by 47% compared to conventional insulated walls. 47%. Nearly half your heating bill, eliminated by a wall. But Trombe wasn't done. He proved the same wall could cool your home in summer. By adding operable exterior vents, you reverse the airflow. Open the exterior vents at night and close the interior ones. Cool night air flows through the gap and chills the wall. During the day, close the exterior vents and open the interior ones. The cooled wall now absorbs heat from the room, acting as a passive air conditioner, heating in winter, cooling in summer, from the same wall, with zero energy input. Researchers at the Indian Institute of Technology tested this in 2015 and recorded interior temperature drops of 6 to 8 degrees Celsius during peak summer, without 1 watt of electricity. The University of Sheffield found that adding phase change materials to the wall increased thermal storage by 40%. Scientists at MIT calculated that if just 10% of American homes installed Trombe walls, the country would save over 12 billion kilowatt hours of energy per year, enough to power 1.2 million homes for a full year. Hundreds of peer-reviewed papers, validated technology, and almost no homeowner alive has ever heard the name Trombe. Why? Follow the money. The global heating, ventilation, and air conditioning industry generates over $240 billion every year. That entire revenue depends on one single condition: your dependence on their machines. Every furnace sold, every AC installed, every filter changed, every technician scheduled, that's revenue. A Trombe wall generates zero recurring revenue. You cannot sell a subscription to sunlight. You cannot patent concrete and glass. You cannot charge a monthly fee for thermal mass. The wall doesn't break because it has no parts that can break. It doesn't need servicing because there's nothing to service. It doesn't need replacing because concrete lasts centuries. You build it once, and your heating bill drops by half forever. The entire HVAC business model requires you to believe that comfort depends on complex, expensive, branded machines. A wall that does the same job for free isn't competition. It's an existential threat. So what happened? The 1970s oil crisis funded heavy passive solar research. The US, France, and Germany built thousands of Trombe wall homes. Then oil prices collapsed in the 1980s, and the funding vanished overnight. Research programs were defunded. Architecture courses on passive solar were quietly removed from university curricula. Building codes were rewritten to favor mechanical heating and cooling. The HVAC industry lobbied, hard and effectively. By the 1990s, the Trombe wall had been erased from mainstream construction knowledge. Not because it failed, because it made the wrong people lose money. Today, architecture students graduate without ever hearing the name Félix Trombe. Contractors install $15,000 HVAC systems in homes that could be heated by a wall, and homeowners pay hundreds every month for a problem that was solved 60 years ago with concrete, glass, and the sun. Honest disclosure, Trombe walls aren't perfect for every climate. In low-sun winter regions, their effectiveness drops. In humid tropics, moisture management between the glass and wall takes careful design. Retrofitting an existing home is more complex than building one from scratch. But for the vast majority of temperate and sunny climates, which covers most of the populated world, this technology works, has worked, has been proven, over and over again. The limits are real but manageable. The suppression is what's unforgivable. Here's what to do if you're building or renovating. Find the south-facing wall with the most sun exposure. That's your Trombe location. Build or retrofit that wall section with 8 to 16 inches of dense concrete or masonry. Paint the exterior matte black to maximize solar absorption. Install a sheet of tempered glass 4 inches in front of the wall, sealed at the edges. Cut 2 rows of vents through the wall, one near the floor, one near the ceiling, each about 4 inches in diameter. Install simple manual dampers so you can open and close them by season. Winter, open interior vents, close exterior vents. Summer, open exterior vents at night, close them in the day. Total material cost for a 12 by 8 foot section, $500 to $1,500. A new central HVAC system runs $7,000 to $15,000 plus hundreds per year in electricity forever. The Trombe wall pays for itself in the first winter. A homesteader in New Mexico built a Trombe wall on his south-facing garage 3 years ago. Propane bill dropped 60% the first winter, $0 in maintenance since. A family in southern France retrofitted 2 walls of their farmhouse in 2019 and eliminated their electric heater entirely. Their home stays between 18 and 22 degrees Celsius year-round with no mechanical system whatsoever. Félix Trombe died in 1985. He spent his last years watching the industry he challenged systematically dismantle everything he built. Funding cut, research shelved, his wall erased from textbooks. But concrete doesn't forget. Glass doesn't forget. The sun does not care about quarterly earnings reports. This knowledge wasn't lost. It was buried. buried under $240 billion of machines designed to keep you dependent. But buried isn't destroyed. Every wall you build is a wall the industry cannot sell around. If this video opened a vault for you, subscribe and share. Every share preserves what they tried to erase. The next vault opens soon, and what's inside is heavier than anything I've shown you yet.